Hello everyone, today we have a nice limited edition lawnmower in front of us, but with one challenge set. As you can see, you wanna know why this is rare? Zoom in right there. That doesn't matter at all. But see its big brother right there? That'll be in a future video. But right now, we're gonna see if we can do a miniature restoration on this in an hour. Let's go. Now let's look at the current state of this thing. As you can see, all the oil and crap all over the deck. There's no gas. I already checked that. That is pretty nice and solid oil. Let's see, I wonder what's under that duct tape. We haven't checked that yet, but the guy took really good care of the riding mower. Not this guy, ugh. If we have time in an hour, maybe we could patch that. Let me get it, oh, that's stuck on. Now let's go over the problem. So first of all, we got this electrical tape of some sort holding the wheel adjusters in, because I'm guessing this one is broken. The other one's not that bad, and this carburetor probably has seen better days. And that oil leak, we're probably gonna pull the motor, so let's pull the motor. All right, I think that was record time. I think we did that in 5 minutes, less than.
We're gonna start filming at 5 minutes, so we've probably done this in 4 minutes.
4 minutes, so I think now I'm gonna get that blade boss off and then we'll go from there. What the hell, bro? Let's get this guy off.
WD-40, boys. Whoops.
All right, I think it should come off now.
That was the second attempt of doing it. This is the first one.
Ooh, she does not want to come off. Huh?
Show you when we get it off.
I'll show you when we get it off, okay? All right, now we got the motor off. The boss actually was kind of a pain. It exploded, I think. That might have been his fault, but what do we do next?
Get clean, boy.
Okay, all right, let's go. All right, this motor is actually disgusting. I tried to clean that a little bit. Now let's pop the sump off. Those sounded like they're snapping a little bit. A little bit of water in there. It never hurt no one. I think that's all of them. Oh, my hand is still gushing blood. When we first started this video, I grabbed under the sheet metal. It's still bleeding a lot, so we'll update you as the video goes on. Let's get the sump off. So as we were just hitting this, it just that was like our first tap, our first big tap, and it just crumbled. Probably just JB welded. It's the side. Nothing really broke deep into it. Like literally just crumbled. Like, look at that, see? There was no force really being put into that.
Oh, it doesn't even matter if it's gone too.
No, but I'm probably just gonna
JB
weld that back together so your support doesn't look bad. But this guy does not want to come off. I'm worried this side's gonna break too. Give me a pry bar.
All right.
We'll probably get it out. All right, so we tried to use the puller because this guy was not coming off. It is officially seized and broke. Maybe we can buy another sump for it. This might be a project, a longer project.
1 hour timeline has been disqualified.
And this thing ran. I know it would have ran because that thing, it was kind of nice.
It needed a carb clean.
It needed a carb clean in a sump gasket, and the frickin' seal just seized the crap. We literally cleaned it. We did. That's bare metal right there. We cleaned it. It came off fine for a little bit. No clue what happened, and it will not go back down. Do we just pull it off the rest of the way? Because there's no going back now, so let's go. All right, so we did some research and digging, and most of this was not our fault. Yes, using a puller was our fault, but we looked up overheating can cause cast aluminum to, and like, it is so brittle. Like Cameron literally just watched me go like this and the entire wings of it would shatter off. I would just go on like these corners and it would just shatter. Like, look, let me see if I can go right here. Of course, it's not gonna do it now, but it would literally just shatter into a million pieces with little hammer hits. And I've smacked cast aluminum. Like I've literally done this on this channel. It doesn't just do that. So we looked it up. Overheating can cause very brittle. And considering this engine was probably run without oil a lot because the old owner said it leaked like crazy, probably why. This engine probably overheated a couple times because you can tell by the rust scarring on the crank down here. But we'll try to find a donor engine. We're gonna part this engine out the best we can and save some of the parts. So maybe we can put it on that eventually, but we'll figure out something to do with the rest of this video. All right, so we're getting this little engine torn apart, and yes, it is a mess, but look at that.
That's just a chunk of JB weld right there.
That's just carbon.
No, it's spark plug.
No, yeah, that's just carbon. There's all just carbon in there.
And mind you, this thing ran pretty dang good.
On starting fluid. Or the guy said it ran all summer, so we thought, you know, easy rebuild. I'm guessing this overheated to crap. This would not be a good restoration. So I'm gonna try to find another motor for that deck because that matches because I'm pretty sure from what the research I've done, they only sold in a bundle. But we'll get back to you on the end of this video. All right, that ended on kind of a sad note, and it sucks that 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 cast iron literally just exploded. I couldn't have done anything about that. But future videos on this channel are gonna be more relaxed, and I hope to do more like actually keeping stuff nice. I did not mean to destroy that. I actually wanted to do a nice little restoration video, but I guess that did not happen. But sorry for the video being so short. We had more planned, but it just broke and didn't go our way. Stuff happens. But thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, like the video. If you loved it, subscribe. But again, thank you guys for watching.
I should have been a cowboy